Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to make transparent header in Shopify DOM theme. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and wanted to make Shopify sticky header and make it transparent when scroll, also if you want to make it transparent only home page, then you can continue this video. Here I am going to share ultimate solution about transparent sticky header for your website without any error or any conflict. So I hope you will watch the full video and you can get the solution after watch this video. And if you want to save your money and want to do it by yourself without hiring any developer and your coding skill, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. So first of all, I wanted to show you the result what we will do in finally. So here I have already created my website and make transparent header. Number one step, you have to fix your sticky header on DOM theme, and I have already uploaded another video how to fix sticky header issue on DOM theme. And then I have created another solution, and this is make the header transparent only home page but not other page. For example, you can see that my header is transparent right now, and if I scroll down, okay, and if I go back in the another page like catalog, you can see the header is not transparent or overlay, it's look more professional. Go back the home page. So I hope you understand right now what I am going to do this, and now I am going to show you how you can do this. So I'm going to my admin panel and show you the full process. So here is my Shopify admin panel. Number one, you have to fix the sticky header not working in Shopify DOM theme by following my another video, and this video link I will share in the video description. Then going to click on the three dot, click on the edit code, and you have to open your Theme.liquid file by searching here Theme.liquid file, and you can see that I have already opened my Theme.liquid file. And your first step in the Theme.liquid file is to add the dynamic CSS class in the body. Look here very carefully. You have to do this body id dynamic class gradient, then add a dynamic class code snippet template handles. Okay, this is our first step on the Theme.liquid file. Then we have to add JavaScript. Here is the JavaScript link that I have added within the head code. Then we have to add custom.js file. You can see it right here under the global.js, and I have created a file in the asset folder named custom.js. Okay, then in the custom.js we have added some JavaScript function that's called onScroll function, and here I have added just add class remove class function. For example, if I scroll my home page, and then there will add a new class with index, and if I not scroll down, then the add new class will be removed. So here is the another things that we have to do. Then we have to go to our base.css file, and here we have to add some code. Looks here is my custom code. Add class body new class header wrapper background. Just we have to add this code in our base.css file. So here is the all things that I have done to make our website like so and like it, and I'm skipping to write code because it will be long time process. So what is the solution for you right now? You can follow my video again and again, and write all the code by yourself, and you can directly watch the code from the video screen. Otherwise you can hire me to do this for you. So I hope that will be easy process for you to try by yourself, and second way is to hire me.
So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service, support, relevant Shopify, WordPress or marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.